All right, folks, this is 24.02. This is Gamma, written very poorly. It says the rules explain how much prize money in Lotto is divided by this chart here. And it says in Division 1, 35% goes to the Division 1 winners. And it shows you how you've got to do them, how many numbers you've got to draw. But at the end of the day, these are just the percentages. And if you add them all up, they all add up to 100%. So we've got 100% somewhere divided up between these different divisions. So the question, though, is this one over here. So it says if the total prize pool is, let's have a look. Yeah, the total prize pool is 4 million and change. Calculate the amount to be shared among Division 4 winners. So let's have a look. Division 4 is 27.5. So we know that 27.5% of the 4 million, 232,674, 27.5 of that is divided amongst the Division 4 winners. So what is 27% of that? Well, we turn this to a decimal, so it's 0.274 times this number here, 4232674. And where do we end up? Let's take a look. Have to find a calculator. Let's do that on the calculator. Here we go, make life easy. All right. By the way, if you can do it in your head, it's a nice idea to be able to do that. But in the meantime, just so I don't make too many mistakes, let's see if I can do it on the calculator. 4232674, and we end up with 27% is what is that? 1.159. So yeah, so 1 million and change. Let's write that out. Here we go. So it's going to be, I'll write it here. So it's going to be 1,159,752. I always find it difficult to read off the calculator. It doesn't actually space out the numbers as in groups of 3, of course. So this is 1,159,752. This is 4,232,674. All right, so there is our answer. And that is what's shared amongst the Division 4 prize winners. So for Division 4, of course, we've got 27.5. Next question, though, and it's in 2 parts, I see. It says the Division 1 winner, there is only one Division 1 winner who receives $1 million and change. Calculate the total prize pool. So we know that the actual amount there is, the actual prize pool is 35%. 35%, so we could say 35%, I'll put it as a decimal, of the total prize pool, I'm going to call X, is, and I'll write out the number, that was 1,357,688. That's how we're doing it. So we're saying if 35% of the total prize pool is, and notice how we're turning English into a mathematical equation, and we've got $1 million and change. Let's see what that would be. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 0.35. So dividing this by 0.35, sorry to write out with the question, to 0.35, and let's see where we end up. So I'm just making life easy for myself. So 1,357,688. 1,357,688, and I'm going to divide that by 0.35. And I end up with 3,879. Okay, here we go. So I'll just write that out. So it's going to be equals 3. I wish it would be nice in focus. Thank you. 3,879,108. 3,879,108. And change, which is 5571. Okay, I'll put 557. So there is the answer. I'll put $sign in front of it. So that is the total prize pool if one person who gets 1 million and change takes 35% of the prize pool. And that's how I would calculate that. All right, let's do the last one. And it says B part 2. And it says calculate the amount to be shared amongst the Division 5 winners. So we know we've got a total prize pool of 4 million and change. Division 5, we're told, is 20%. So the question is, what is 20% of the total prize pool, which is, let's have a look, sorry. Yeah, if the total prize pool of this thing here. Sorry, I was looking at the original one again. So that's the total prize pool. Let's find 20% of that. So all I'm going to do is go 0.2 times of the 38. I'll write it out. 3879108 and 57 cents. And where do we end up? I'll just work on the calculator. Here we go. Nice and simple as you like. 0.2 times 3879108. I'll put in the other figures as well. There they are. And we've got 775,821 and 71 cents. So I'll write out that. So there we go. We've got, put dollar sign first, and we'll go, here we go. Be nice to be in focus. Oh, there we are. Look at that. 775,821 and 71 cents. And that would be the amount which is shared by the Division 5 winners, or 20% of the total. Enjoy.